overfill a little bit. That's okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's going to be awesome. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man. How's it feeling?
Tight.
Yeah, tight. All right, do you think you can pull them out?
I gotta be careful.
Okay, be careful. We don't want to rip anything.
Let's start with this hand.
Oh, is it the skull? How's the skull feel?
Firm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it coming?
It's coming.
All right, you got to do it.
Oh, it's close. I gotta be careful though. Oh. Oh.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, buddy. There's
That's
one.
one.
All right, let's get the other one out. Yeah. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. All right, perfect. Pour it into the hole. Oh, yeah.
Do you see it on the other side?
Oh, yeah, it's filling up. All right, slow down a little bit, slow down. You might want to catch up over here. All righty.
Now we wait.
Fill her up.
Let's go. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow. Wait. Where's the skull?
Wow.
Wow, that's sick. Now I'm gonna turn this around in a second, okay?
Okay.
This is so cool. Whoa. See the hands? Now let's get down to the base. Here. Oh. Spooky. We'll name him Steve.